Hey everyone, hope you're having a great week, and thanks for taking the time to watch another Bona training camp video. Today we're going to talk about Bona Prep, which, believe it or not, has been a Bona product and process since 1998. Available in quarts, gallons, and pails ever since then. So Bona Prep was initially designed and formulated to condition those floors, and by condition we mean slightly soften that surface finish, so that then when we abraded it with whatever we were using to abrade at that time, mainly just the conditioning pads, now that surface being a little softer, we could abrade it and put the scratch pattern we wanted into it, also help clean up that surface, but both of those were to help achieve good adhesion on those floors, which they had been having some issues with because of those pre-finished innovations. To have a successful recoat, we really need three things to happen. One, we've got to thoroughly clean the floor, right? We don't want to have dirt and grime or whatever in the soft grain or seams or whatever on the floor, and put nice new coats of finish over that and lock them in. So Prep is an excellent cleaner. And sometimes we've even gone in to do recoat jobs and just done the cleaning phase with Prep and saw that it just needed to be cleaned really well. So those experiences told us what a good cleaner Prep was, especially when used in the Bona PowerScrubber. So we got to clean the floor to be successful. We also want no contaminants. So Prep has also proven itself over those almost 30 years of being a great cleaner of the floor to the point of helping to remove contaminants from the floor. So we need to clean, and we want to remove contaminants, and then we have to make sure the floor is evenly and thoroughly abraded. That does a couple things for us. One, it helps also with the cleaning process because that abrasion takes away that very upper dirty layer of finish. It also helps get down in the grain and clean that out. Seams, surface, everything else. The other thing abrasion does, and why it's so important, is it helps create the correct surface tension and surface energy that we need for one, to form a nice new film when we put our finish on top, and to create that adhesion that we're looking for in our new recoat. So we need clean floor, we need no contamination, and we need good abrasion. All that available with the Prep system. That worked great from '98 up to 2011, when Bona made and introduced three huge innovations that helped us throughout the business, but especially with recoating. One was the introduction of the Bona PowerScrubber, which we're going to use with the white, just the regular white cleaning bristles on there. Also introduced Bona Diamonds, which were a huge improvement over conditioning pads as far as abrasion. They really help remove scuffs and some minor scratches from the surface and abrade so thoroughly, so evenly, and they last so long. We've done gym floors where we changed the abrasives about halfway through just because we thought we had to, but finishes aren't going to make these wear out. They may clog up, but diamonds are a huge improvement over conditioning pads, and nothing abrades a floor better than Bona Diamonds. The other thing that we came out with was the multi-disc. Again, a huge improvement over maybe a 16-inch drive plate, creating possibly 16-inch swirl marks in the floor. Even if we've cleaned it, if we accidentally get something stuck under that 16-inch plate, it's going to create those swirls. And the multi-disc, because it has 6 5-inch discs that freely rotate, and they rotate in the opposite direction that our 16-inch plate does. So that means as they're going around the floor, they're basically cutting up each other's smaller scratches in the floor. So those three things, Bona PowerScrubber, Bona Diamonds, Bona Multi-Disc, huge improvements in 2011 to help that Prep system evolve into what it is today. And you're gonna find a system that again is tried and true. I don't think there's a better recoating system for getting that floor super clean, for optimizing abrasion and optimizing adhesion. It's for use on all polyurethane floors, as long as they haven't been maintained with acrylic polishes or any of those types of maintenance coatings. It's ready to use, no need to dilute it. And it's also GREENGUARD Certified, which is, to me as a contractor, if I'm out there every day, or if I'm the homeowner who's getting their floor done, I love to see those GREENGUARD Certified products in there, because that has nothing to do with how green the product is in the jug in its wet condition, but when it's used on the floor, what is gassing off into the air that I'm actually breathing in? That is indoor air quality, and that is what GREENGUARD is concerned about. So all the products that we have using in this system are GREENGUARD certified. So when you go in to look at your customers' floors, and they maybe think they need a resand, a lot of times there's no need to resand it. There's no need to scratch it up with the old school screen and recoat. Now you just need to prep it and recoat it to get outstanding results for you and your customers' beautiful floors.